I feel like I'm going the wrong way. I swear I can feel it in my bones. I'm going the wrong way. Oh. Cuties, I think I'm lost. This is like the third train I'm going on. Write names on it to honor all the people we lost. I want to get out from down here. It's kind of scary. My savior is here.
She ball like some big kid lost in New York.
$73. Call it $80 for 2 food and 2 juice. Never again in my life. Cuties, newbies, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, my name is Kayan. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment before you leave. Okay, and to all my cuties, welcome back. Thank you guys so much. Do not forget to like this video, share it, all them good somebody. I am here in downtown Hartford. I'm about to take my first train ride. I have never been on a train, and I just decided last night, I'm just saying, forget yeah, man, nothing now go on, I'm not work, so just come out of the house. And the closest place I could think about was New York. So I booked a ticket, and now I am downtown. I think I'm just gonna stay for the day, and then probably book back a train tonight. Or maybe if it go well and I'm getting around okay by myself, then I'm just gonna like get a room and then come back tomorrow night. What y'all think? I don't know. Let's see. Anyway, I'm at Union Station downtown, and I only have this little backpack right here. It has everything that I need for today, and if me I stay till tomorrow. So me have like a little change of clothes in there and toothbrush and toothpaste, you know, the essential. So yeah, it is literally 5:17 and it's dark as shit downtown. So let's go see if we can find our train, because I have no idea how this thing works. But take the bus one time already. Have I ever taken the bus? I don't remember taking the bus, but we're sure gonna go on the train today. Is that security guard or just somebody? Is it open? It's not open, my love. I don't know if that's a security guard down there or is there someone hiding from the cold. Let's hope it's not a crazy person. Let me see something. Gate 1, New York City. So I guess I'm going to gate 1. Okay, where is gate 1? 3, 4, 5, 6. So I guess the counting starts from, oh. So we're at the right place. Anyway, I think I gotta wait. I don't think they're open as yet. I think they're open like 5:45 or something. When I book my Uber, I think my Uber they will take a time for reach, because I booked the cheapest Uber. So it's like you gotta wait 20 minutes. And as I book it, them reach. So now I'm like, I'm early. So I gotta wait in the friggin' cold. You see how cute it is? It's cold and warm. Go down to in the lobby, the ticket lobby. But I see one man in there. I'm not really sure if I'm conscious. So me not take the chance and go down there. Me and him I forgot to tussle this morning. My hands are cold, so I'm gonna put you guys up until the train is here, alright? Well, until they open up. Okay guys, I am excited for this. I am so excited. I don't know. Okay, cutie, so we are inside the train, the lobby, the ticket lobby, I think. They got this little outside area. Well, I'm telling us the guy in here, but it's a good man and him answer say look like him seeing you, look like him alright. You know what I mean? So I'm in here warm. Oh, it's so cold. Jesus Christ, my hand in my freeze off. I couldn't manage to stay out there, so let's look at area right here, so. Yeah, it look like him, it don't look like him crazy. It look like him away from him train to our bus. So we safe for now. I think they open up right there. What? Oh my God. Me with my idiot self. When I can imagine me stand up out there so long in the cold, have my hand freeze off. And the freaking ticket the ticket station open. That is so crazy. There are people in here. Why me I tell you when you're ignorant to things is side of a thing. It's now 5:38. My train leaves at 6:20 something or 6:40 something. So I'm just gonna wait here until like 6 and then go back up at gate 1 or whatever. Alright. Cuties, it's now 6 o'clock. I am going to make sure I know where this train is before we sit down out here, so I'm a wrong place with it. Oh, it's cold. Oh my god. Oh, let me go outside for a second. This is the train. What they call this? The train road? Whatever the heck it is. It's exciting. It's not that bad. I swear inside there is colder than out here.
Right? I was just gonna say that.
Yeah. I was freezing. It is. Ooh. I think it's coming. Oh, I think it's coming. Go down here. This is too packed. Sorry. So I'm gonna go here. I don't know how the seating thing works, but I'm gonna just sit here. Is it moving? I think we're moving already. They may have asked to
Please join us at this time. Conductors coming to collect tickets. Is every ticket's ready? If your ticket's on electronic device, please set the device to its brightest setting. Capri Convenience Cafe is open to serve you.
Cute as a tree, it smell like raw. I don't want to say what it smells like, but it smells like raw. Oh my god. No. Anyway, we are heading to New York. It's like a bus ride, to be honest.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, cuties, so we have like a 3-hour journey ahead of us. It's now 6:38, and they say we're gonna get there by 9:27 a.m. So yeah, I'm see y'all when I get there. Bye. When I see you, I run out of words to say. Ooh. So, cafe is kind of cute. Hi, good morning. I think I need a tea though.
You said a what?
Tea, no coffee. I don't
Okay.
drink coffee.
Did you want English breakfast, Earl Grey, or green?
English breakfast?
Yeah.
What is that? I don't know.
Oh, so you want hot tea, right?
Yes.
So English breakfast is like regular.
Oh, it's the tea bag. It's the, oh yeah.
the top- the
yeah,
top.
yeah.
That's regular black, and then we have green, Earl Grey, and then we have green.
Anyone. Like this one, I don't know how none of them taste. Okay, let's go back around this another shaky situation, yeah. Okay. So I got a tea. Cute as I found my driver's license. I don't know when I'm gonna with a bag here. Oh, it's in the bag here, I don't know. I don't remember taking this bag none at all. We are in New York. Alright, now I gotta figure out where I'm going. My teeth are hurting. Gotta take these things out. I think today's the day. Oh. Can't manage them to the anyway. Up to 8th Avenue subway AC. What the heck does that mean? Okay, so I'm gonna go up these stairs and see, because I think I'm gonna have to take the subway somewhere.
This is a boarding call for Amtrak Northeast Regional Train 143 on route to Washington with intermediate stops. Passengers should proceed to track 14.
Alright, cuties, let me figure this out and come right back. Okay, cuties, so that shit is so low. So I'm looking for the subway. So I'm supposed to take a subway to hold on. Exit. Not exiting. Oh my God! It says exit. What all of them here tell me for exit? Maybe I'm going straight. Subway 123. Cuties, I'm so lost right now. Subway EC downstairs. I don't want EC. This thing is sending me further and further down in our hole. Subway ACE, where? Okay, so is it down or up? See, this is saying what I wanted to say, but it's not giving me an arrow. It's just the subway, the wheelchair.ace, but where the f is it though? Do I go outside? I feel like I'm going the wrong way. I swear I can feel it in my bones. I'm going the wrong way. I feel like I'm gonna go above ground and take a cab because I can't bother with this. Exit 8th Avenue, Uptown, CE. What the fuck? Oh, okay. Okay, so this thing says up and downtown upstairs. So we're gonna go upstairs and see what the heck. And that grow me a big fruit. So they are just big and cool, so okay. Cuties, me confused out of this world. I am so confused right now. I just stand up here so because the sign here said downtown. Hopefully I am in the right place. Trust me. I want to get out from underneath here. And anyhow this train come and tell me say it's not the right one. I try to go above ground and take a taxi. Oof. I want to get out from down here. It's kind of scary.
Attention passengers A, C, and E train. No trains are running on the express track in either direction because of scheduled maintenance.
What?
They said all the trains are running on the local tracks, so what does that mean?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
I hope not.
I think that's why they got this thing right here, because I haven't seen a train pass since.
We're about to find out.
Oh. Let's go downtown?
Yeah.
Let's go downtown?
No express.
Oh. Cuties, this is not working out. This is not looking right.
Please be careful as you step on.
Hi. Can you tell me where the downtown train?
Have a safety.
It says here, but there's no train running here, so I don't know.
Yeah, over there because I'm going to clean and I'm my dad over there.
Oh. Okay. Boy, cuties, me stressed out. No, sir. Just pay money come through the Sydney, you know? This is crazy. Oh. Downtown E, downtown A. Where's it? Say left? It's right here. But that's where we're coming from. I just pay go over there, you know. It's declining my car too. Cuties, I'm finally on the train. Oh my god. It's been a damn roller coaster. Cuties, I think I'm lost. When I just came on the train, this thing up here, this thing right there was saying Fulton Street. And that's where I'm going. No, it's not saying it anymore. I don't know what's going on. They have like a bunch of work I do on the subway, so they're like putting people on different train. But I don't know. I don't know, yeah, man. Can't bother. Cuties, I'm on the next train. I don't even know where this one is going. This is crazy. I need to come out at the train station. I think I'll come off of the train and go upstairs, go find a taxi or something, because I can't bother with this. Hi. I'm trying to get a train to downtown Manhattan. Over here?
Yeah, did you miss your stop?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Fulton. So just go down here and then take anyone.
Take the A. Well, it's running local, so either one. But I would say take the A.
Take the A. Alright, thank you. Oh my god, cuties, this is crazy. This is like the third train I'm going on. That's it for me, no more train. So I guess I'm supposed to just wait anywhere down here, sir? Is it down there? Do you wait on the train here?
Yeah,
Here?
that's here. Go to my car.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see if this one works. Because I'm over it, I swear to God.
This is a Manhattan-bound A express train. The next stop is...
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I can't wait to come out of the station, yeah. Never again in my life I will ever. Jesus Christ. Let me get out this damn place. Am I going the right? I just want to get out. I don't even care where I get out. I have to. That is something I never want to ever experience again. Never. I can't breathe. How wanna do it? Ladies, how do you guys do it? That shit was so... This is the only time I feel like I want ball. Because how is it that it's okay for them people of unsound mind be on the same train doing all the shit they're doing? Yo, I promise you I've never been so scared. I forget that camera charge. The shit that we experienced a while ago. One thing for sure, I am not going back on a train. So that means I have to go find a different way to Connecticut. So I'm gonna try and make that happen right now because me nah go back on a train. Never. Hats off to you ladies who have to do this every day. Cause that is yo. People talk every day say Jamaica dangerous. Jamaica this, Jamaica that. I can tell you something. You can never the downtown in a bus, in your nice clean clothes in a bus, or even in your dirty clothes, and somebody of unsound mind walk in that and sit beside you. You're crazy. You're mad. first of all, them people there and regular people can't mix. They're clearly not of sound mind. I'm trying to use these words so that YouTube not block my video. But clearly, and they're capable of anything, right? So we mix up together. I literally see be water out there, so run off a roof. I literally see the man I do him for do. Take out pipe and I do him for do in the bus. That's crazy. That's crazy to me. But anyway, I say I want train ride, I get train ride. So yeah, that is it. Let me figure out where I'm gonna go right now. I'm thirsty. I'm gonna get something to drink. Maybe something to eat. It's like after 11 now. And then I'll call Kamara because I'm not taking back the train. So I'll be right back. Cuties, look at this. It's sunshine. Oh my God, it's a beautiful day. We're gonna forget about everything that happened earlier. We're gonna forget about that crosses train ride. And we are gonna try and enjoy the day. But I do need somewhere to stop, like a cafe or something. I need to charge my battery. I don't drink coffee and I just be a coffee shop, me I see. And I need a water. I'm gonna go over here and see. I feel like the place looked tacky, but I feel like they probably have the best pizza. I don't know why. I wonder if they have a charging port. Oh, there's a plug there. Will this still work? I'll have a slice of this, please. Huh? Oh, what the heck is that? Oh. Got bottled water? Oh, yeah. Take it. Here? Oh. $7.90. Cute is gonna understand how I go on here, man. I'm tired. I'm tired. I can't bother. Because colic and everything going on now, I can't see my pizza. $7 for one pizza? Bumper clot. $5.25 and $2 for the water. That is crazy. One slice of pizza? That's how much for one? I don't make that sweet so. I said I walk with no sanitizer, none at all. Not one. And look how much buckle I have. Ooh. The way the man looked for me a while again could have tell something not come from here. Anyway, cuties, we are up and running again. The camera fully charged. And I am on my way to the World Trade Center. I'm gonna look at it. I've never seen it before. So since I'm close by, I said let me just walk there. It's like 10 minutes away from which part of the day. So I said let me just walk there and check it out. By the way, I called camera and him say he's coming. He said he's coming, okay? So I don't have to take the train home. Maybe we should take a bike. Fun fact, cuties, I can't ride a bike. Or else I definitely took up one of them today. I think the World Trade Center. I think this is the World Trade Center. I think this is it. I don't know. Outside. This is it. I'm literally walking past the damn thing. This is annoying me. I think they got something over here. We're gonna see. Oh, it's the names. Oh my God. Oh my God. You see that? This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Oh my God. Who came up with this? This is called the Memorial Glade, I think. Yeah, the Memorial Glade is how they honor the people that they lost in the World Trade Center bombing. So they have all the names. They go all the way around, like literally. Do you see how big this thing is? And there's thousands of names on this thing. This is amazing. This is freaking amazing. And check this out. See if I can give y'all a better look, because the sun is about to blind me over there. Names. This is for my fallen soldiers. Cuties, that's amazing. But we are moving on. Where are we going next? Oh, there's Pac. I thought we'd be dead in New York right now. What me I tell them not make New York people them stay in them house? These people don't sleep. So we have the Memorial Museum over here. I don't know if we're going in there. I don't know if I want to go in there. But that's it right there. What do they do inside there?
It's a 9/11 museum, so it's all about the attacks that happened on that day.
Okay. And on that side?
Public shopping mall.
Just a shopping mall?
Yeah,
okay.
the subway station.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so they're basically just educating you on what went down. Oh damn, the line is freaking long. There's more than one glade. That's so much people. Because we just walk around the building are the same thing. No, it's not. It's different. This is another one. And I left one all the way around there. I wonder how long it took them to build something like this. And who came up with this? Who would be like, let's build a big ass pool, write names on it to honor all the people we lost. Who in the world? And where is that water going? It's nice though. Ooh. I guess it's supposed to be prettier at night with the lights and stuff like that. This is just a waste of space if you ask me. What in the world? I mean, it's pretty, but it looked like a waste of space to me. Like, it could be so much going on down there right now. There's this big, empty, open lot. For light? To each his own, right? Look at that. It's like all this friggin' space. Too sharp. three shop and 2 chair. So I'm gonna walk around, well, inside until I end up on the next side and see what's out there. All right, cuties, we're back on the outside. I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna pick you guys back up, okay? All right. What is going on here?
We can cross. We can cross. Cross the street. No, their full name is on this.
What in the world is going on?
Quickly cross.
Oh shit, she got a tail. Oh my god. I have no clue. I have no clue. I just see them pass. I'm strutting, I'm walking, I'm taking in some sun. It's so nice. Cuties, my savior is here.
The savior is here.
My savior is here.
She about like some big kid lost
Lie.
in New York.
The lies. Bro, I can't manage. I can't do it. I'm scared. I'm scared. I literally almost balling at the subway. Yo. Guys, I think I could do this alone. I thought I could, but I can't. I said I don't want to see Times Square in the daytime to see how it look regular. But I love the place still big and bright. No different at all. Oh my god, I can't believe it still look like this in the daytime. I thought it was gonna be big and dead and boring.
Big and dead and boring.
Like no lights and stuff like that, but no, my love.
Spider-Man and Deadpool.
What's that? What that there? No, look like something that going because I hold it for costume.
They do it every day. I take people money.
I take picture with them. What's it? Cartoon character? A Batman and Minnie Mouse that? None. Hi! Oh, take a photo. Take a picture. No picture right now. No picture, no. No photo. Yeah. Cutest, I seriously thought it was going to be like flat. But I guess it's 24/7. No picture. Ooh, I saw my last, my wide lens, it hurt my heart, man. Ooh. Let me see what's going on over here.
Now, gentlemen on the line, it's your turn. Guys, keep your head straight. Head straight. Arms to your side. And please, close your legs.
It's not that kind of show. Close your legs, guys.
It's not that kind of show.
Thank you. Beautiful volunteers, listen up. We want to put you guys up on a little secret. What's that? Everyone gave a donation except for you guys.
What's your
partner? He's going to run, jump, flip over your heads. $20 will save your life and place you in the front safe. $50, you can leave and never come back. $100, he's going home with you tonight.
Wait, what?
He's bisexual. Oh, you like the ball guy? So since you like the ball guy better, we're going to start off with him. Come on, Mr. Queen. How you doing, sir? Where you from?
Yo, them
Pennsylvania?
boots.
Everyone makes me up for Pennsylvania.
I guess so, the man them pocket.
Yeah, so them pocket down here.
We've got $20. Hey, don't worry, guys. Everyone's together. You guys, on up. Everybody, clap your hands.
Yeah.
Here we go, New York City. Get your cameras ready. There's going to be a black guy running real fast with no police behind him.
The man them tired come. Woo!
Wait, stop the music. Guys, stand up, New York City, wait. Before you guys leave, we want to say thank you for stopping by. Thank you. We want to say thank you for donating. That was our show. Thank you and God bless. If you guys came late and missed the first show, stick around. There will be another show going on in about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Thank you, thank you. I think something is blowing up his suit. You hear the vent in his suit? No, you want to blow one fart spray in there. Yo! Put one fart spray up in a lot of trouble.
Yo, I see any of you never fart spray. But spray in there, run left me.
Run left me. Yo! This is crazy. Up the famous red step. I've been on my own for long enough.
Oh, you say?
Ooh.
I walk too far. Halfway down the damn road. Yeah, run beer.
You must see necessary road. But I'm say, you can't get the camera for the nut.
Yo, somebody come blame me.
Come on.
I'm a tough road.
I tell you run across the road long time. You stand up the boy, you're mad?
When the light never go green.
The light never, no car never come. Every time I ask someone if I give me one shot, I can't get it.
And a prime too, you know, Amazon, you know.
Hey! Turn on the music there, I can't take a copyright right now. Oh my God. Cuties were in Chinatown. It literally looked like what China for you. No, but in a real life. Come on. I beg you stop in Jesus' name. Oh, freaking Nichiwa. So I'll just be a Chinese people around here, sir? Then just come and just take over a piece of New York?
Other people live around here, but mostly China.
All the graffiti them to backside. Ronia so probably have the best Chinese food. Best. And you can see the building there little and dirty and me not out of them. But let me not say that. Let me not say me not out of them because I love Chinese food or art. Me may just pick it.
Let me say run red light on New York, ticket reach your yard before you reach it.
Cuties, we are trying to find a room. We're gonna stay the night and just go home tomorrow. And right now, me I tell us me head them I bleed. I'm so tired. I've been up since like 2 o'clock. From 2 o'clock this morning. What time now? 5 o'clock. So we'll get the room. I may get some sleep and then probably come back out tonight and walk the Brooklyn Bridge. It's probably nice at night anyway. with the lights and all of them something there. I'll probably just come back out to get some food. I don't know, but we figure it out. So cuties, we went on Google and bomb boy long your frig. We found this hotel. It's in a Chinatown. It's still in though. And it's a 120 a night. So we're like, yeah, let's go. And it looked clean and bare things. Me can't believe all the hotel each up in a one corner. We could have hardly find it. They're far in our. Literally, look here. How they reach on your so? And it tall your frig. What's that? How they reach now, little corner, yeah? Oh, Jesus. Everybody else out here, me say, it look like, say. Go up on that side, yeah? Me say, them don't even have gateway. They don't even have entrance. I've got to make it clean. I'm not really business about the bigness, you know, I just want it for clean. Whew. Mm.
Huh? Yeah, 903. Okay, is it coffee and water free?
Blood clot! The ground wet, be careful, it's asleep. Then she couldn't put on a wet sign. In a cold one day, eat in a room.
After.
No, eat in an elevator. No, maybe I should be tired. And the boot are squeeze my foot, you know.
9th floor.
You think I fought a while ago, you know?
Think that you fought.
This is the whole. I never see a hotel. I can stretch out my hand and reach from one side to the next side. I never seen that before. Let's see what's going on the inside. I like them there. Check if the sheet clean. Go check if the sheet clean, come on. You know if I check? Check if the pillowcase is clean. Sound one when I'm not busy nothing else. You have to check them, check if you find an ear. They look clean, man. They look clean.
Blue light.
You don't have to use blue light. How tell me used to work, you know me I check for.
So one closet.
Closet. What the light for yesterday? A glass this? It is clean.
That we them the hotel and then clean, you know.
Yeah, man, it's clean, man. It's clean.
I mean, look how the room and liquor. How hard this is for clean.
The figure them, we not clean it. But it's clean. Because this glass, yeah. Normally, you see glass in the hotel, this full of soap.
Glass, you not even know the glass the way
The way
it clean.
Yeah, man, tile it clean too. Yeah, man, them go out themselves. Towel them up here so clean. Alright, we can sleep. We have mirror. Hi. We get closet. We get TV. What is the coffee and water free?
Yeah, well,
A closet this. Yeah, a closet. A closet that man. Mr. Cuties. The shoes you are give me can. Another one shoes me bring, you know. So I have to go back on the foot, yeah. Alright guys. Soon picking up back. Check out the view in the little box room. Boy, the room don't have nothing about one little view. The amount of big hotel I'm going on to see them view, yeah. Yeah man, the whole of New York we are seeing. Nice. Just turn on back the light, me talk to me people, yeah.
Whole of New York.
I whole of New York, me see me don't know about you. Me I see everywhere. Camera, I'll get some food. I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat. And then, just tomorrow. I'm not going to road because I'll be a nightlife out there. Remember, see a girl not drink. And it's very tempting. Outer road tempted bad, get one towel. Outer road tempted bad, cutie. So I just say, listen, I grab some food. And Just gonna eat, and then tomorrow we'll just start the day fresh again. You know what I mean there? So we have some fries. The fries them taste really good. What's the buy food again? $3.75 chicken and fries. New Yorkers, y'all know about that place. Ooh, we got some wings. I'm gonna turn you guys over and show it to you. Yeah, popcorn and chicken. What is the way so? Macaroni and cheese and chicken pop. What the frig? It's chicken, macaroni and cheese and chicken. We have fries, garlic parmesan wings, and waffle and chicken over here. Sweet chili chicken. Anyway, cuties, we just want to show them a view and my food and tell them a good night. I'm gonna eat, go bowl of fresh, and go sleep. Get up early in the morning. Yeah, we're gonna see somewhere nice tomorrow. I just want somewhere nice. So we'll go tomorrow before we go home. Okay? Alright guys, later. Good morning. I'm telling y'all, this view is really nice. For one little in the old hotel. It's nice. But anyway, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. Listen, can y'all tell that I did not shower last night? Your girl got some sleep. I don't know if you don't realize that I'm telling you I'm not asleep. I have not been sleeping. It's been such a stress on the body. No sleep whatsoever. Cuties, when I tell y'all, the whole of the food them over there, so all of the food them over there, so I eat out 2 spoons of macaroni and cheese. I'm going to lie down here, so that's it. After I wake up, was it 4 after 4?
Something like that.
But after 4, I get up, I'm going to pee and come back in the bed, come lie down. Oh, it's like 6 o'clock. I've been up since. I'm not going to sleep yet. Today I watch TikTok and I fast. But anyway, can I tell people good morning?
Morning, cuties and the thugs them.
The damn face tracker won't come off of me.
Sleeping Beauty.
Oh my God, I'm asleep. That's so nice. I feel good. I feel good today, yeah. I don't care, no brush, no comb. I don't know how I comb by my head. But anyway, I'm gonna get some clean up going, and I will see you guys back in a minute. Make sure y'all liking the vlog. Alright? Thank y'all. Bye. What's your favorite thing then? Sure. Got sausage. Oh my God. Egg. We're trying to book the summit place. That one would be a foolishness. A book? Oh. Cuties, look here. Not one wings to eat. We carry the food there with me, right? Cuties, me forgot to get her slippers, cause you see me I walk up along the shoes the whole day yesterday. Yo, this is one of the best tights I ever wear. One of the best tights I ever put on. Hands down, no lie. It is so thick, so comfortable. The length is nice and it's so stretchy. So you know, if you're a big body like me, it works. It works, okay? Yeah, cute. Link down in the description box. Discount code down in the description box. Ayuga, big up you. Why camera the traffic now moving on at all, you know? You don't realize? And I saw 1:30. Well, at 1:30. Let me go at least see how the check-in process go. Cuties, we're heading to the summit. See what's going on in there. But the traffic is crazy. Reservation at 1:30. And it's now 1:28. And we're in a traffic. I don't know how New York and the parking already. Cuties, I'm trying to get a shot at a building here. But it is so damn high, I have to go try to go across the road for my seat. Let me see if I can get a shot at it, because damn. Oh my god, I still can't get the whole thing. Oof, it is cold.
There's not one there.
Damn, this is heavy.
All right, y'all.
You did the first one already. That's why I was
I am getting hot.
All right, guys, is everyone okay with flashing lights, loud sounds on the elevator?
Oh wow. Oh. Já sei, já dei né? It feels like it's very big. Oh wow, nope. This needs glasses. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Ooh. Oh wow, oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even know how far this day. Oh. Oh my god, cuties, do y'all see this? That is crazy. Cuties, I'm blinding inside here. The sun is so bright. Cuties, if I back off the sweater fast. It is so hot. Alright, I'm going to one last look. No plastic boot. Oh, there's an ice skating ring down there.
You see, if you had practice with skate some more, you could go do ice skate.
What me have to do with you? Love me? Alright, I think we can go upstairs now. I think we are done with down here. Fabulous.
Oh, did you see that?
Oh, I think our upstairs are right around the corner to Rotted. Please do not touch. What in the world is this? I am not impressed with whatever this is. I guess this is the building that we're in. Ooh, sorry. I have no idea what that is, but I am not impressed. It's art. Woo! Woo! I didn't know they could burst. Look how them are growing in a circle. This has got to be my favorite room. In here so it's fun. Like a kid in here. Look at what's you're playing with. What you mean? Feel tired.
Like a big
The room I work me on RQ is moving on. I wonder if they have a bathroom somewhere. Also water here, Lord God. Photo booths. Sorry. Oh. Cuties, I wonder if you guys see what's going on. So we have to go upstairs. And if you don't know me, you don't know something that take escalator. I am actually terrified of it. And now what am I supposed to do? Miss, is there an elevator or something to get up there, or this is the only way upstairs?
There's an elevator.
Where is it?
Yes, there's an elevator. It's right here.
Oh, it's right there. To get up here? Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you.
You're scared?
Yeah, I don't.
You take the elevator.
92, 91, we don't know.
92 exit.
Gift shops and stuff like that.
Oh, so attraction there, just gift shop.
Yeah. So if you want anything, you want to make your money. No, the one next is floor there, man. Thank you. Oh wow. Does it smell good? Oh wow. I don't want to see the price. $50. Put it back. Jesus. Come on, them want if you want to see a picture. You want to see the picture? The picture with them take when we just come in. Sorry. Oh, we gotta pay for it?
Yeah, we have 3 different packages. Everything digitally for $25. These 2 other packages, you also got everything digitally.
Can I see the pictures again?
Yeah.
Please. Oh, they give you like on every level, yeah. And you said how much are they?
25 for everything digitally, or these 2 other packages, you also got everything digitally.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Alright, cuties, we're not gonna take the photos because the picture that we'll take for our phone way better. And plus, they're digital. I think them would at least print them out and be like, oh, but no, that doesn't make sense. But anyway, we're gonna get out of here. Yeah, that's what I thought. It was like a souvenir thing that you're on. But no, we already have hard enough time for printing them, picture them off our phone. Alright, when we get back downstairs, cuties. Bye. Yeah. We're here in the Bronx. We came to this restaurant we've been seeing all over TikTok named Jamaican Chinese. The food looks so good. So we've been starving ourselves all day just so we can eat this. Hopefully it don't disappoint. Because people be talking shit on the net just for some money. You know how they go. But in they look full though. So cuties, this is it. Jamaican Chinese cuisine. Yo, I hate the people just. I hate it when people just stand up and just two. No brought up, see. Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna go get food because I'm hungry. Cuties, the food looks so good.
That's all I'm there why I felt it.
Sarah?
Yes, I'm here.
It look wet though. So cuties, we got oxtail. Let me show them. What me your food? Let me show them it. Let me let y'all see. The food looks so good. Oh my god. I will get 2 natural juice. Cuties, I bet you can't tell how much you pay for them 2 food here. We'll get 2 natural juice for fruit punch and a fruit punch is still one name Mighty Fruit Punch, but I don't know why. One just named Fruit Punch. But I get oxtail in there too. So this is what the jerk chicken and the oxtail fried rice. It looks so good and it smells good, yo.
Juice, man.
Yeah? So it's brown stew fish with oxtail fried rice. You actually get oxtail there, oxtail fried rice. Oh yeah.
Enough ginger too.
Enough ginger right now. If you drink that alone, you're full. You're very full. I say thick.
Just like almighty.
Amen. $73. Call it $80 for 2 food and 2 juice. But I guess them say it depends on the protein we add. Wings and the pasta.
The pasta.
I go to me never leave.
Yeah, wait for them things.
So we got some fried shrimp cuties. This is it, look. Cause with the other 2 wings and them send fried shrimp, so I guess they told us to take it. This is the pasta. I don't know what kind of pasta it is, but it look creamy. So it look like some kind of Alfredo. Oh, and this is the wings. I had to try these wings. They're all, oh, them all are steam. The wings look so good. They're like chili, they're what?
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili. Oh, they look so nice. And that is it. And that is it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. See y'all in the next one. Wanna say bye?
Big up on yourself. G there. This is me. We're heading.
No, sir. Alright, peeps. Later. Thank y'all.